Latitude has partnered with Microsoft to create Generative AI Assistant. Great customer service and support isn't easy, and there's often a lot at stake. 71% of consumers believe that a quick response from a service team can drastically improve their customer experience. Only 17% of consumers would recommend a brand that provides a slow but effective solution. Customer service representatives have to handle a large volume of inquiries or complaints within a limited time frame. Balancing efficiency and quality of service can be demanding. Moreover, representatives need to have a deep understanding of the company's products or services to address customer queries effectively. Keeping up with updates and changes can be a constant challenge. And all of these challenges can be largely attributed to unstructured information residing in multiple systems and storage locations. Latitude's Generative AI Assistant, powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI and Power Platform, solves these challenges by providing the right answer at the right time, either by supporting the agent or creating a self-service capability. Solution instantly serves information in natural language. Refers to multiple sources, be it a website, cloud storage, or a document repository. Provides feedback mechanisms to continuously improve the accuracy. Creates the ability to provide this as a self-service tool to the end customers. Provides dashboards and analytics to optimize customer experiences. Latitude's Generative AI Assistant delivers increased customer satisfaction, reduced average handling time, increased rate of call deflection, increased first call resolution, reduced agent training time, and increased CSR satisfaction. For more information and to discuss your specific scenarios, contact Latitude today.